Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a question many of you have asked. Which diet plans are the most effective for weight loss? Stick around as we explore some of the top diet plans and what makes them work. First up, the Mediterranean diet. This diet emphasizes whole foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, especially fish. It's not just about weight loss. It's also great for heart health. An example meal might include grilled salmon, quinoa salad, and a side of steamed veggies. Delicious and nutritious. Next, we have low-carb diets, such as Atkins and keto. These diets focus on reducing carbohydrates and increasing proteins and fats. They can lead to rapid weight loss and improve blood sugar control. Imagine starting your day with scrambled eggs, avocado, and a side of bacon. Yummy and satisfying. Plant-based diets like vegan and vegetarian are also effective. They prioritize plant foods while eliminating or reducing animal products, often leading to lower body weight and a reduced risk of heart disease. For dinner, how about a lentil curry with brown rice and mixed vegetables? Healthy and filling. Intermittent fasting alternates between periods of eating and fasting. Popular methods include the 16-8 method, where you eat during an 8-hour window and fast for 16 hours. By reducing calorie intake and improving metabolism, intermittent fasting can be a powerful tool for weight loss. The DASH diet, originally designed to combat high blood pressure, is also great for weight loss. It focuses on fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. A typical meal might include a chicken breast with roasted sweet potatoes and green beans, balanced and delicious. Lastly, the Whole30 is a 30-day program that eliminates sugar, alcohol, grains, legumes, soy, and dairy, focusing on whole, unprocessed foods. For breakfast, try an omelet with spinach and mushrooms cooked in coconut oil. Clean eating at its best. So, which diet plan is the best? The answer depends on your personal preferences, lifestyle, and nutritional needs. Remember, the most effective diet is one you can stick with long-term, and that promotes a healthy, balanced lifestyle. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.